All right, chat. I'm looking to end this long here. All right, I'm looking to long it up. I'm too long it up. I'm looking to long that shit up. All right, we're in this. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm looking to risk 1% only. Why? Why not? All right, so we have a 22.4% stop loss. Okay, what's we risking? All right. All right, let's see if we get a tap on this. If we can get a tap on this, we're in this bit. All right, what's good, my boy Chris G? What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm looking to long this up the next 10 minutes. Let's see. 10 seconds, I mean. All right, let me get the right size here. Boom. Let's see if we can get a tap into it. Once we get a tap, I'm looking to long it up straight away. All right, let's see once it taps, I'm in. Uh, all right, once it taps, I'm in. Let's see, because right when it taps, I'm in. All right, let's see if we can tap it. Hey, I bought a little higher. All right, I'm in the trade here. Ay, yeah, got a little too high of a price one. 54, crazy. Oh, that's my entry right over there. 54. All right, stop is set. I'm in here for a 2% position here. Keep in mind, chat. So right when take profit gets hit, it should be a done deal here. So 38. Thirty-eight, 13, 38, 13. Entry number one is that 95 54. Other one is at 94 40. And our entry is supposed to be at 94. That's supposed to be at 94 45. It's all right. All right, we're in this bad boy. Stop loss is set. 10 70 10 7 2 1 10 7 1 10 7 2 1. Okay, stop loss is set. Now we're gonna go over into the team 8 8 1. All right. Yo, bro, what's good? In on the trade? Yes, sir. I'm risking 2% on this. We're going for a 12 RR, but I'm not going to risk 1% on a 12 RR. Although we don't even need 12 RR to pass it, just because like, you know what I'm saying, it's a challenge account, so you're gonna risk 2% instantly. But yeah, I wanna see DXY go harder down here because we at least need a 50% fill here. It's kind of crazy, 12 RR, but the stop loss is wide though, 24 point. Yeah, the stop loss is kind of wide. Bro, how you been? Alhamdulillah, how you been, brother? All I got is bro is my balls in my way. I don't break that. Ah, beautiful day. Alhamdulillah, just waiting for New York to open, AM to open. Oh yeah, you're a futures trader, right? So you gotta wait for that open. I ain't got that time, bro. Usually, I'm just gonna stay in the live for a little longer. If the trade goes in our favor, I'm gonna get out of the live stream and just let it run. But, bro, right or during like 11 o'clock, I gotta be somewhere, dog. Where do I gotta be? At the gym. Yo, chat. Right after I trade, I usually go straight to the gym. After that, I go do some other businesses. And other business right now, they're getting cooked. I ain't gonna lie. Why am I looking for longs? Because we have the higher time for analysis paralysis, the higher time for weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the outside. On the daily time frame, we're buying below the weekly opening price, which is fantastic. We as well, we're buying at the wick here as well. We have a daily discounted IRL to premium ERL. We have a daily CRT, daily steel gas soup, one day city high, as well as we have expansion daily range. We're in discounts you want to buy. Market did a big dump here. Since it goes on a fair price, since it goes on a fair price, it could definitely retrace higher here. We're going lower. Even if it stops us out, right? You could do that as well. The lower time for new growth profile. One accumulation, 5 a mid pressing non expansion. If I'm bullish, I want the agent to make the low of the day, not the high of the day. In this case, he made the high of the day, so I'm looking for a new reversal. I don't like that. I don't like that there's no SMT here, because SMT would give us a very beautiful confirmation that okay, the bottom is high likely to be in, but there was SMT, but you got disrespected here. We have a range here, range low, range high. How come is that range low? Weekly CRT low. How come is that range high? Weekly CRT high. As well as we have no expansion in range. We are going against the order flow, but you know, there's enough narrative, there's enough context for him to take a long here. We have a 4 hour key level, which is this 4 hour for VI gap, as well as a daily key level. And yeah. And it looks like to be a big this is as well a big retracement here. As you can see, the daily time frame, we have a OT here, market pressure, a low, high, lower, low, higher, high. When we are in the 50% mark of the retracement, so that's a very good OT retracement. Drop higher from here. But yeah, this is why I'm looking for a long here. Because we'll have a 4 hours outlet CRT, 4 hours CRT, and we have our original consolidation right over here. Our original consolidation, reaccumulation. We have a SMR possibly here, and eventually we can go up high from here. Possibly. I'm not sure. I don't know. All I know, I'm in. My setup says long it up. I'm logging that shit up, Yeah. Original consolidation, reaccumulation, SMR possibly, and go up high from here. Yeah. My boy Trader. My boy Trader. Oh yeah, Trader. Your war ended already, bro. It was a ceasefire. Hey, the war ended in India and Pakistan. Congrats, man. We don't want to see our brothers. We don't want to see our brothers, our Negroes, our niggies. You know what I'm saying? Spread blood, shed. So that's not a good thing to do. Bro, we don't even know that. I don't even know. I didn't even know that war actually happened. I thought you were joking because of the cricket and shit, bro. Like, I didn't even know that actually happened. I didn't even know that actually happened. Oh, oh, shit, I'm sleepy. I'm not sleepy, I'm alive. Chat, today I had a scary ass dream, bro. Pakistan need to send some deodorant along with missiles. My boy. Like, Pakistans were a musty as hell too, bro. I know Pakistans were a musty as fuck. There's no difference. I mean, they're the same people, bro. You know that they're the same people, bro. They just that Pakistan got independence, so they're overall the same people. They got Hindus in there. Pakistan has Hindus. India has Hindus. India has Muslims. Pakistan has Muslims, right? So they're literally the same people, bro. I don't know. They told me like when I was little younger. They said I never knew the difference between a Urdu and a Hindi. I was like, bro, what's the difference, bro? I mean, like the Urdu is like the Hindi is more girlish. The Urdu is more mannish, anglized in my POV on how I speak it, on how I see my boys talking about it. Bro, they don't have food to eat. How they are going to give the order? Oh my goodness, bro. Nobody can be idiot, brother. The smell they generate is out of this world. Bro, why do I think that the SciTech is an idiot, bro? I feel like, hey, my boy Trader's an idiot. My boy SciTech is probably the Pakistani. No. I mean, SciTech. What I'm trying to say is SciTech is a Pakistani and Trader's an idiot. Hey, bro, we got two in this game, bro. Hey, my boy Trader got that comeback right there. That was a crazy ass comeback, dog. You are right, but I ain't got no food over there, dog. Most of them are very fucked up. Fucked up. Fucked up. Oh shit. It's crazy, bro. I feel like I think a lot. My boy SciTech's probably a Pakistani, bro. Hey, are you, bro? Where you from, SciTech? My boy SciTech is probably a Pakistani. Ain't gonna lie, bro. Hey, trader. I know you're not gonna take that right there, man. You got your enemy. You got your brother. You know what I'm saying? Alright, okay. Let me stop causing fights. Let me be professional. Oh, I'm Algerian descent. Oh yeah. Oh, I think you said it before. Holy, my boy. Oh, but Trader, you getting flamed right now, bro. Damn, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Oh boy, Trader getting flamed. My boy Trader getting. I don't want to fuck right now. It's cray, man. Hey, when is? Oh, you gotta wait till 9:30, and you're up at 7 a.m. Oh yeah, you gotta pray. Oh, that makes sense. Nah, cause I'm pretty sure you live in Europe, right? So your time is different. Oh yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Bro, yesterday I boxed, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I was gonna blow this guy head off, dog. My name called Tech, as I used to do cringy ass video on how to download games on PC for free back when I was a little kid. Lol. Hey, bro. Hey, everybody been through that shit too. I tried to do that with the gaming as well. I tried to play Fortnite and shit. I tried to game it out. I thought I was gonna make it out the hood. You know, there was two people watching me at that time. I was doing that in Twitch. I thought I was that guy. And eventually I was like, bro, this shit ain't gonna work out, dog. And hey, the reason I quit streaming back then was because of that gay guy, bro. That guy was abusing me, dog. Hey, he was not always abusing, but he was coming to my live stream. I was getting pissed off. I was like, bro, how can I ban somebody from watching my live stream? Because he was gay and shit, bro. I was like, fuck out of here, bro. I was like, I couldn't do shit because of you, like. Bro, I hated them niggas, bro. I can talk trash, but ain't want to disrespect any religion. Yes, sir, bro. Oh boy, trying to getting offended, dog. Hey. What do you have there, dog? Hey, my day, it's making my day. It's making my day. It's making my day. I gotta wake up at 5 a.m. I gotta fight demons just to wake up. Chad, today, literally today, bro. Like my body was, uh, it was like I was sleeping, but you know how you how you guys know, like there's no difference between fake and there's nothing fake. There's nothing fake between your reality and your the thing you think about. Your mind is another difference, right? But I was, bro, I was so windy. I was like, okay, I don't even know. I can't say it much, but it was kind of what is it called? Traumatizing. It got me. I was like, hey, you're not gonna catch me today, man. I was like, I only feel God, man. I only fear God. Oh shit. I love my boy. I love my boy Trader, man. Hey Trader, you in the trade too, right? Don't tell me you're not in the trade, bro. Don't tell me that shit. Don't tell me that shit. Hey, if this one hits, we're making 24 RR in this bitch, bro. If it hits, if damn. I mean, I'm looking to go like, oh, why can I go outside today? Can I? Oh, it's kind of hot. Oh boy, Trader, if this hits, Trader, you are a drawdown. You're gonna be up actually. You're gonna be up like 6%. So you should definitely be doing. You should be up some. You should be getting a payout, if I say so myself. If. But I feel like through my powers, through my confidence, because this is like I think you guys know, like my setups. I don't call my setups no A plus or B plus or whatever. I don't take anything other than A plus. So yeah, risking half risk, that's crazy, bro. I'm adding on risk. I put another trade because I said I want to put 2% per trade regardless of the RR. I'm saying so I'm down. I'm using 2%. So if this goes in a loss, nigga, we going bankrupt. Nigga, we losing. We losing it. I'm already up like 2% already. I think TP1, right when he take profit 1, should be good. But hey, that's all. Let's not hope. I'm going to expect to lose short term. I'm expect to win long term. Oh, open the BMW. That shit would have cost at his ass. That shit would have cost his ass. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Rasul Nurmatov! It's time! What's up? What's up, my boy Rasul? I passed phase 1 and they refuse with phase 2. TFT is whack. Self-funded trader. Bro, you can't go chat, my boy Cringy. You're going to fucking you're going to accounts, you're going to platforms that don't have reputation, bro. That's why you're getting cooked like that. It's my funded account, and on Monday, my boy making some bullshit ass rule, bro. Bro, so you're gonna say that this trade is not good? Hold up. This one I don't know. We're not gonna talk about this one because this one could fail as well. But so you're talking about that. Let me show you, man. Let me use my senses here. So you're gonna say that this is a bad trade to take. From here, Monday, long that shit up. Bad trade. Low probability. That's crazy. So you're gonna say that. You're gonna say, let me give you more example. You're gonna say this is low probability. You're gonna call this a low probability Monday. You're gonna call that a low probability. Like most of our beautiful trades comes through Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, not that much. I most of my trades are Monday to Wednesday. Monday through Tuesday are my highest probability setups. Like that, I perform very well to the longer term. Longer term was all down here. It ticked it. Boom. Right, long term goes to the upside. Ticked it. With this one, I made 8.5 RR. 8.5 RR. This should have been a 13.5 RR, but yeah, overall, some guy literally sent me a screenshot making 13.5 RR, which he made a couple thousand from it. Congrats. Nice. Like this setup was low probability, bro. That's why it didn't work out that good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like you're gonna deny this. You're gonna deny this move. You're denying this move right over here. That's crazy. Monday. Oh my god, it's because how price moved in London. Bro, stop making bullshit theory, bro. You're not ICT, dude. We're not. We are different. Like you gotta keep in mind. Well, that's once you trade CRT, you gotta say fuck everything else. You gotta learn everything else and relearn it. You know what I'm saying? He has a returned my account back last week. Now nothing smashed my head. Yeah, bro, this scamming pro from anyway, bro. So you gotta just go with either my funded next or funding pips. They're really high repetition right now. But it seems like hypercated today. Diddy getting to bro. Uh-huh. What is that? Diddy getting to bro. Oh, Diddy. Oh no, Diddy, bro. I don't know. Did I say anything gay? Did I say it was gay? I didn't say anything gay. Bro, it seems hyperactive today. Because the jokes you got said right over here, the jokes you got said, funny as hell, man. So it just made my day. No, I'm usually very, I'm usually very, what do you call it in English? High person, not high person. I'm very energetic. That's what I could say. Oh, yeah, we're good, bro. We bought below the weekly opening price daily, in the 4 hour. You always want to buy below the weekly. Every time you want to trade, always buy below the weekly opening price. And the past couple of weeks were just bearish ass candles, bro. Something needs to change. For a piece of change. Something needs to change. Server needs to change. Hey, keep in mind, our stop loss is the monthly low. Dude, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, I took an instant one-step challenge from Liquidity Edge. How to hope to pass this week and get funded. Payout will buy a account from Funder next. Okay, bet that, man. Just don't force it, man. Just don't rush it. Take your time. I know. You could have passed the other one, but just a problem, man. It's not your strategy problem. Your strategy works, you see. But the thing is, it's just that the platform didn't have the right reputation. It didn't have the reputation. Ghetto hillbilly. Hata from analysis paralysis once again, please. I got you. Give me my paralysis. With a weekly IRL to ERL weekly series to the upside as well. We have a daily, a weekly. Yes, we have in a weekly time frame, not much. Daily, we have a daily IRL, discounted IRL to premium ERL, which is the daily, which is the weekly CRT high. We have a expression daily rates for discounts you want to buy. We're buying below the weekly opening price. We as well have a daily CRT, number one. This push happened, but market went lower. Why? Because there's no kilo supporting the CRT. We have a daily CRT here in play. We could definitely get stopped out. Keep in mind, chat. We are trading on a Monday. Usually Monday and Tuesday offers the highest probably setups, but as well it can Monday usually are more on the hit or miss. But we can see our Monday trades were excellent. 8.5 RR, a 13.5 RR, another 15.5 RR on Monday, bro. You know what I'm saying? But what I was getting a lower time frame. That's the highest for analysis here. We have a that's all we got right over here, bro. I don't know what else. We don't. This is enough, literally, for us to long it up. Lower time frame, we have a CRT, New York Reserve Profile 1 accumulation, 5A mid, place 9 expansion. We as well have range low, range high. Here comes our range low. Daily CRT low. I mean, weekly CRT low. How's our range high? Weekly CRT high. This we have another range here. How's our range low? Daily CRT low. How's our range high? Daily CRT high. That's all we got here. We have a bearish auto flow, but that, you know what I'm saying, is going to happen. Everything's always going to be perfect here. But chat, I'm looking to get out of the stream in 8:30. After 8:30, I'm going to get out of the stream. I'm going to let the trade run because I don't want to have psychology problem. When market goes up and down, I don't want that shit to fuck up my psychology. Or not my psychology, fuck up my emotions, you know. But said we have CPI tomorrow. Today we're chilling because CPI is gonna be the one, as you guys know. NFP is the manipulation of the monthly candle. CPI is the distribution of the monthly candle, as well as the reason. Cause I usually strictly we on a the day. So let's just say CPI should be the one to perform very well to push the actual price movement, but that is only when there is a yeah, that's true, right? But the thing is, so if that's gonna happen, you usually want to go realistic take profit the day before, so we don't get caught in a trap when the market reverses back down, stops us out, so because CPI can be the one to deliver. But it's only when it's an OTE. In this case, you can see last time when we took a CPI trade to the long side, upside here, right? Where was this CPI? What's a hard time frame here? The other CPI that happened, which was, let me see here. It was somewhere around here. Yep, you can see this is CPI that came out all over here. The day before that, in this case, you would realistically go for a realistic profit, would just be the CRT high or CRT low, the 4-hour hourly candle. this would make sense over here, but over here wouldn't make sense because there's no OT here. But in this case, there was an OT in the hourly time frame. There was an OT somewhere around here. So market did need to do a retracement for going up higher. Eventually, CPI delivers an upside. In this case, where's the NFP? Is there NFP last week? NFP didn't do shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. NFP could mid play, go up, whatever I want to do. Do what you want to do. Oh. But yeah. So you can see how it logically makes sense. Why no 50% entry in this trade? Because the candle's not that fat, bro. The candle is not fat at all. And we didn't have a consecutive candle here, so it's not fat. Yeah, that's why. Hey, niggas. Niggas, spell niggas. Niggas, niggas. Neges. Chat, literally, I'm gonna let the trade run. It looks like to be, it's probably gonna concentrate for a long time here. But I'm gonna let this bitch run here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we gotta wait till, in this case, for the market to give us some momentum to the upside, it needs to, it needs to wait till 9 a.m. After 9 a.m. is when it's probably high likely to start performing very well. Because at 9 a.m. is when the 159 is, so 1 a.m. accumulation, 5 a.m. mid-percent on expansion. So the 9 a.m. could expand hard. But I'm done for the day. This is the setup I give you guys. I took this trade during the live. Goes on a loss, he goes on a loss. It's all accept the risk. Is my part of my plan. As you guys know, longer term basis where we're winning because we're profitable the longer term. But short term, it could be consequences, certain outcomes, shit like that. But yeah, when we win, we feel nothing. When we lose, we feel nothing. When I'm right, I feel nothing. When I'm wrong, I feel nothing. Nothing personal, strictly business. I accept the risks. I expect you to lose. I am cold, calm, the losing streak or winning streak. I accept the loss part of the process. I expect to lose trade instantly, but I expect to win on a longer term basis. But yeah, a winning trade does not excite us. A losing trade does not phase us. A missing trade does not concern us. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out. So chat. Let me go put I'm not gonna put a good to that. Is gonna put alerts. Put some alert here. Yeah, alerts are there already, so we're good. I'm not gonna let this shit run. I'll see you guys later. Peace.